Hello friends, welcome to our channel Easy Shots of Learning. Today's video is about margin of safety. Margin of safety is the excess of actual sales over break-even point sales. What it exactly means, let's take an example. Suppose in a company, the break-even point sales is rupees 4 lakh. It means at this level of sales, our total cost equals to total sales, and at this level of sales, the company neither earns profit nor incur loss. When the company's actual sales is more than rupees 4 lakh, the company starts earning profit, and if the actual sales is less than rupees 4 lakh, the company starts incurring loss. So here the actual sales is 6 lakh rupees. It means the sales where the company earns profit is 2 lakh rupees. This 2 lakh rupees sales where the company is earning profit is known as margin of safety. It means in margin of safety we consider profit, so and profit never be negative. So the standard formula to calculate margin of safety is it is the difference between actual sales and break even point sales. And if the profit is given, then margin of safety is calculated in rupees with the help of profit divided by profit volume ratio, and in units our formula is profit divided by contribution per unit. So friends, in this video, we discuss margin of safety in different situations. So friends, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you have any query related to margin of safety, please write me in the comment box. So friends, let's start with our first case. Here the actual sales of the company is 15 lakh and break even sales is 8 lakh rupees. So the standard formula to calculate margin of safety is actual sales minus break even point sales. Here the actual sales is 15 lakh and the company breaks even at 8 lakh rupees. So our margin of safety where the firms is earning profit is rupees 7 lakh, which is option number C. In next case, actual sales and break even sales are given in units. In this, we again use our formula to calculate margin of safety, that is actual sales minus break even point sales. Here the actual sales is 20,000 units and break even sales is 17,000 units. So our margin of safety here is 3,000 units, which is option number B. In next case, our selling price per unit is rupees 20, variable cost per unit is rupees 15, and profit of the company is rupees 80,000. And we have to calculate margin of safety in rupees. So to calculate margin of safety in rupees, our formula is profit divided by profit volume ratio. And to calculate profit volume ratio, the formula to calculate profit volume ratio is contribution divided by sales into 100. First we have to calculate contribution, and contribution is sales minus variable cost. Here the selling price per unit is rupees 20, variable cost per unit is rupees 15. So our contribution here is rupees 5. When we put these values in the above formula, our PV ratio is 5 divided by 20 into 100. So our profit volume ratio is 25%. When we put these values in our margin of safety formula, our profit of the company is 80,000 and profit volume ratio is 25%. So our margin of safety here is 3,20,000, which is option number B. In next situation, margin of safety is calculated in units, and the data which is given here is selling price per unit is rupees 30, variable cost per unit is rupees 15, and the profit for the year is rupees 45,000. So when margin of safety is calculated in units, we use the formula profit divided by contribution per unit in place of profit volume ratio. Here the contribution equals to selling price minus variable cost. Here the selling price is rupees 30, variable cost is rupees 15, so our contribution is 15 rupees. When we put these values in our margin of safety formula, our profit of the company is 45,000 and contribution per unit is rupees 15. So margin of safety here is 3000 units, which is option number B. In next situation, margin of safety, we have to calculate margin of safety when profit of the company is 40,000 and contribution per unit is rupees 20. So when contribution per unit is given, we calculate margin of safety in units, and the formula used here is profit divided by contribution per unit. Here the profit of the company is 40,000, contribution per unit is rupees 20. So our margin of safety in units is in units is 2000, which is option number A. In next case, margin of safety is calculated with the help of profit and profit volume ratio. In previous question, contribution per unit is given, so we calculate margin of safety in units, and here PV ratio is given, so we calculate margin of safety in rupees, and the formula used here is profit divided by profit volume ratio. Profit is 4,000 and profit volume ratio is 40%. So the margin of safety here is 10,000 rupees, which is option number B. In next case, profit of the company is 40,000 and total contribution is given, which is 2 lakh rupees. So here we calculate margin of safety in percentage, and the formula to calculate margin of safety in percentage is profit divided by total contribution into 100. Profit of the company is 40,000. Company's total contribution is 2 lakh rupees into 100. So our margin of safety in percentage is 20%, which is option number A. In next case, break-even sales is 80% of actual sales. And we have already discussed that when the break-even sales is given and actual sales is given, the difference between two is known as margin of safety. Here the actual sales is 100% and 80% of which is break-even point sales. So the margin of safety is 20%, which is option number B. In next case, our break-even sales is 40% of actual sales, and actual sales which is given here is 40,000. So first we have to calculate break-even sales. Our break-even sales is 40% of actual sales, and actual sales is 40,000. So when we calculate it, our break-even sales is 16,000 rupees, and the formula to calculate margin of safety is actual sales minus break-even point sales. Here the actual sales is 40,000, break-even point sales is 16,000, so our margin of safety here is 24,000 rupees, which is option number D. So friends, in this video, we discussed about how we calculate margin of safety in different situations. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.